mahjibin. I think this is how the name is pronounced. What about using river water for doing wudu? Because many ignorant people urinate in the river, throw waste material of humans and animals. The answer was mentioned in the beginning, but probably you did not join us in the beginning. If the amount of water is great and huge, or if the water is running, like in the case of river, it's renewable. So even if the whole village urinates in it, that would not impact the purity of the water, and you can still perform wudu from it.